Hashtag choose life. 75 tips for life during India at 75.
Energy saved. Use LED bulbs or tube lights. Use public transport wherever possible. Take the stairs instead of an elevator wherever possible. Switch off vehicle engines at red lights and railway crossing. Use bicycle for local or short commute. Switch off irrigation pumps after use. Prefer CNG/EV vehicles over petrol or diesel vehicles. Use carpooling with friends and colleagues. Drive in the correct gear. Keep your foot off the clutch when not changing gear. Install a solar water or solar cooker heater on rooftops. Switch off appliances from plug points when not in use. Use biogas for cooking and electricity needs. Keep temperatures of air conditioner to 24 degrees. Prefer pressure cook over cookware. Keep your electronics devices in energy saving mode. Use smart switches for appliances which are used frequently. Install community earthen pots for cooling water. Defrost fridge or freezer regularly. Run outdoor instead of an treadmill.
Water saved. Adopt cultivation of less water intensive crops like millets. Participate in recharge of rural water bodies through Amrit Sarovar scheme. Practice crop diversification. Move from rice and wheat cultivation to pulse and oil seed cropping system. Use efficient water saving technologies like micro irrigation, banding, farm ponds, zero tillage, direct seeded rice, alternate wetting and drying, and others. Create rainwater harvesting infrastructure in home, schools, offices. Use drip irrigation systems created with waste materials wherever possible. Reuse water from washed vegetables to water plants and other purposes. Pre-soak heavy pots and pans before washing them. Do not discard unused stored water every time there's fresh water coming in taps. Use buckets instead of hose pipes to water plants, floors, vehicles. Fix leaks in flushes, taps, and water pipes. Use water efficient fixtures or taps and shower heads and toilet flush units. Invest in a water meter for your house to measure water consumption regularly. Reuse water drained out from AC or RO for cleaning utensils, watering plants, and others. Prefer a water purification system that wastes less water. Single-use plastic reduced. Use cloth bag for shopping instead of plastic bags. Carry your own water bottle wherever possible. Reuse glass containers or packaging plastic items as storage boxes. Participate in and mobilize participation for cleanup drives of cities and water bodies. Prefer using non-plastic eco-friendly cutlery during gatherings and events. Turn off running taps when not in active use. Use menstrual cups instead of sanitary napkins. Use recycled plastic over virgin plastic wherever possible. Use steel or recyclable plastic lunch boxes and water bottles. Cut the packaging bags used for milk, buttermilk, etc. only partially to avoid plastic beads from mixing into biodegradable waste. Opt for bamboo toothbrushes and neem combs. Waste reduced. Swasta actions. Contribute cattle waste, food waste, and agricultural waste to biogas plant, which is provided under Copata. Practice segregation of dry and wet waste at homes. Use agricultural residue, animal waste for composting, manuring, and mulching. Recycle and reuse old newspapers, magazines. Feed unused and uncooked vegetables, leftovers to cattle. Set printer default to double side printing. Repair, reuse, and recycle all furniture. Buy paper products made from recycled paper. Donate old clothes and books. Do not discard waste in water bodies and in public spaces. Do not let pets defecate in public places. Healthy lifestyles adopted. Encourage use of millets in food and indigenous herbs and medical plants for nutrition and well-being. Prefer consuming natural or organic products. Start biodiversity conversation at community level. Plant medical plants such as neem, tulsi, giloy, mint, curry leaves, ashwagandha, curry leaves, etc. within household premises. Practice natural or organic farming. Plant trees to reduce the impact of pollution. Avoid purchasing products or souvenirs made from skin, tuskers, and fur of wild animals. Create and volunteer at community food and cloth banks and at animal shelters. Initiate and or join green clubs in your residential area, school, or office.
Sustainable food systems adopted include millets in diets through Anganwadi midday meal and PD scheme. Compost food waste at home. Create kitchen gardens, terrace gardens at home, schools, or offices. Prepare organic manure from cow dung and apply to farms. Prefer locally available and seasonal foods. Use smaller plates for daily meals to save food wastage. E-waste reduced. Repair and use electronic devices over discarding the devices. Discard gadgets in the nearest e-recycling units. Use rechargeable lithium cells. Prefer cloud storage over pen drive or hard drive storage.
Hashtag choose life.